the square.
No, they are not covering. They are not covering.
Sir, my options are correct.
Sir, I don't understand what to do in this question.
Beta, you have to count the number of squares.
Sir, I counted, but my answer is not there in the option.
I will explain.
Sir, do we have to send to you?
To ma'am, of course.
Okay,
You
sir, I will
think
check the
around.
option again.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So then we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had 12 smalls and 6 big ones. Then I will search for more big ones. 1 and 2. दिखे guys? Yes or no? तो पहले 12 हो गए, फिर मैं दोबारा ब्लैक से मार्क कर देता हूं. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो ये 6 हो गए. Then what about the rest 2? और बड़े वाले जो थे 1 and 2. तो berry, understood, berry, ballerina, smiley, cookie, vampire, kiwi, air, veggie, master. Have we understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, do the, you know what are polygons or not?
कपड़े मैंने ले लिए हैं.
Yes, sir.
आपको मैं एक वीडियो दिखा.
That's so easy to understand.
Sir, but I don't know what is
Sir,
the
the shapes that have corners are polygons. Circle is not a polygon. An oval is also not a polygon.
yes, sir.
So it's pretty, the concept is pretty clear. वीडियो की जरूरत नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but I don't know how many sides. Like, what is the name of an 8-sided polygon?
So that you
Yes.
have to memorize. Octagon.
Sir, we did this chapter in school.
So next,
Yes, sir.
do the
shit.
second and third.
Sir, this is from IMO, right? Sir, I have not done this. I don't know how to do it. Sir, even
Explain
I
कर
don't
दूंगा।
know how to do.
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा, अगर आपको आता है आप आंसर भेजो, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा।
Sir, can I try? Sir, sir, can I try?
यस,
So send.
Sir,
ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ट्राई।
sir, what are polygons?
Send. Can I go to the washroom?
So I have also send.
Bunny, beta, your answers are wrong.
So can I send
So I
again?
have also sent, but ma'am has not.
Cannot send again. मैं explain कर रहा हूँ। तो listen up, kids. Whichever polygon क्या होता है? First of all, polygon is a 2D shape which is made of only straight lines and has corners and has corners. Then what is a three-sided polygon called?
Sir, a triangle.
Three-sided polygon is called a triangle. अरे यार, ये मैं आपको उसमें व्हाइट बोर्ड में लिखवा देता हूँ, ठीक है, डोंट वरी, मैं लिखवा देता हूँ, because you guys are kids, I'll make you write a little bit.
Yes, sir, we are kids.
Sir, can I record this? Whatever you are writing, the sided polygon
या
instead
फिर
of
तो मैम
writing.
शेयर करेंगी PDF।
Sir, can I take a
Sir,
screenshot
I
once
am
you
on
have
my
it?
computer, so I can record this.
Okay, you can. So polygon देखो, एक तो 2D शेप होता है, वो 3D शेप नहीं हो सकता, like cube, cuboid नहीं हो सकता। It is made up of only straight lines and his corner. Now three-sided polygon is called triangle. Four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Examples are, बेटा quadrilateral बोलते हैं। Examples are squares, square,
Rectangles,
rectangle,
diamond.
डायमंड को हम रोम्बस बोलते हैं बड़े होके, ठीक है,
Okay,
छोटी
sir.
छोटी क्लास तक हम बोलते हैं डायमंड। Five-sided polygon is called pentagon.
Yes, sir, and
Six-sided polygon,
hectagon. No, wait.
hexagon.
Hectagon, yeah. Hexagon.
Seven-sided polygon, septagon
Septagon
or heptagon.
or heptagon.
Eight-sided polygon,
Octagon.
octagon. Nine-sided polygon,
Nonagon.
onagon. Ten-sided polygon,
Decagon. Decagon.
decagon. A polygon with all sides equal is called
Square.
a regular polygon. बेटा स्क्वायर होता है अगर a polygon with four sides
Sir, can you zoom it
and
out?
all sides equal is called a square. ठीक है?
Sir, can you zoom it out so that I can click a photo? Sorry, screenshot.
हम मेरी पिक्चर लोगे,
No, sir.
मेरी फोटो नहीं लोगे मीन्स
Sir, I don't know if it will come or not.
मेरी पिक्चर ही नहीं लोगे, आप लेना ही नहीं चाहते।
Sir, I don't know if it will come or not. Sir, again, your something is coming that actually you are choosing it. Someone don't do that. Sir,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you wait for 2 minutes? Barry, it's a good idea. You can click a screenshot. I've already written half of the stuff. Oh.
I am recording it.
So can you set it?
I
Sir,
have
can you remove one of your this white one?
Sir, I have done.
Okay.
May I go bring my water bottle?
Sure, you came in my picture.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you can bring.
Okay.
So Barry, can I stop share?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, just a minute.
तो guys, अब हमारे पास था these shapes because they are made up of straight lines, 2D हैं और corners भी हैं. So these are what? Polygons. And this is open, ये अंदर जा सकते हैं, ये भी open है, हम अंदर जा सकते हैं, ये भी open है, हम अंदर जा सकते हैं. This is closed. Now, how do we find the perimeter? Perimeter means the length of the boundary. हम क्या बोलेंगे? Perimeter. और एक लाइन लिख लेंगे. Perimeter. Perimeter of a 2D shape is the length of its boundary. All right, have you understood?
Sir, can you show it again?
Wait,
Sir,
again.
can you show it again? I have to click a screenshot. Okay.
Now guys, और मैं लिख देता हूँ. अगर आप इतना मुझे लिखना ही है तो मैं और लिखूंगा. I can write a book also.
Sir, this is
I'm
cheating. I have to
thinking of writing a book. What do you say, guys?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Not great, but you didn't say it's great.
Okay, sir, it's
It
great.
is far beyond from the Ministry of Magic, far beyond great.
Also, please note या फिर please note या फिर cloud note में लिखेंगे while finding the perimeter of a rectangle
Berry's meter.
rectangle we have to add length and breadth 2 times.
Sir, you wrote bread.
Bread because I like bread. तो guys मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. जैसे this is called the breadth. This is called breadth.
Yes, sir, because this is called breath in swimming also.
And breadth, let's say this is 5 centimeters. And here is the length. This is called length and it is equal to what? Let's make it 8 centimeters. Now when you'll find the perimeter, perimeter will be equal to what? 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. Most kids do this mistake because there are two lengths and there are two breadths. So 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5, that is equal to 26. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10, 26 centimeters. So have we understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Just 1 minute. I'm ready.
Beta, don't annotate, whoever is doing that. Sweet guy.
Sorry, sir. It was I'm doing the class on my mother's phone because my iPad is still not repaired. It fell from my hand, so I have.
Sir, Aviana
Wait,
is
I
was supposed to do class on laptop or what?
Aviana, Aviator. Miss Aviator
Yes, sir.
got stitches and cried also. Mama didn't share video or photos with me. I really wanted to see. Okay. Next time, if any one of you cries, please tell Mama to share the picture and video with me.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
so
Sir,
Miranda
because
has cried a lot of time when she has clicked picture also.
Beta, can you ask her to share some with me also?
You can ask her. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What happened to Aviator where she has got stitches?
She fell down while skating.
Wow.
here I think that that's not a good thing.
Chalo. Guys, let's see. Okay. What is the perimeter of the given figure? Guys, कभी आपको ऐसी figure आती है ना, ये question मैं explain करूंगा. तो we have to find the perimeter by counting the boundary. तो कितनी boundaries है? 1 plus 2 करो, कितनी हो जाएंगी? 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9,
Sir
10.
got it. Sir got
10.
it.
तो अभी 10 है, अब मैं दूसरे कलर से करूंगा सो दैट इफ आई वांट टू चेक लेटर आई कैन डू दैट. प्लीज बीच में नहीं भेजो, बोलो बेटा कंसंट्रेट करो. हियर इट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. ब्लू से है 12. आई कैन काउंट अगेन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2,
Sir,
3,
it's for
5, 6,
Beta
7, 8, 9, 10,
44.
11, 12. तो टोटल हो जाएंगी 10 plus 12. How many sides? 22 sides.
It's a
But one side is how much? 2 centimeters.
2 centimeter.
So 22 sides will be how much?
44.
22 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 44. Remember, हम
Yes,
बीच की
sir.
लाइंस को काउंट नहीं करते. बीच की लाइंस को
Sir,
काउंट
can
नहीं
you
करते.
explain me again?
बेटा काउंटिंग है, बाहर की साइड्स काउंट करनी है. I just
Okay, sir.
counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 बाहर की रेड साइड्स आई एंड
Yes,
12
sir.
ब्लू साइड्स आई. मैंने इनको ऐड किया 22 साइड्स. वन साइड इज 2. 22 sides will be 22 into 2, 44. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, do the fifth. तो हमने मिरर इमेजेस किया है किड्स? नहीं किया?
No, sir, we haven't done.
Haven't done, तो इसको हमें
Sir,
छोड़ना
we
पड़ेगा.
have done it in. We have not done. Sir, we have done it in grade 3. Yes, sir.
Sir, I
चलो
don't
ये
understand anything in
Yes,
question number
sir.
3.
We have done it in grade 3 also. Don't tell
चलो मैं
us.
एक्सप्लेन कर
Sir,
दूंगा.
but I wasn't in grade 3.
Sir,
Explain कर
sir,
दूंगा
if we
जिसको
can't
आता है.
understand, can we use
Guys,
Don't tell anything. You already know.
beta, please, when I am talking now, everyone keep quiet. Veggie, especially you, beta. Don't cut me and talk. Okay. What I am saying is, अगर आपको आता है ठीक है, नहीं आता तो मैं explain कर दूंगा. ठीक है? आप try करो 5th and 6th question.
Sir, what is the meaning of symmetrical? Sir,
सिमेट्रिकल मीन्स जो, जैसे मैं आपको बताता हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल।
yes, sir.
अगर मैं इसके बीच में कट कर दूं तो क्या होगा, ये राइट और लेफ्ट दोनों से सेम हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
दिस इज कॉल्ड द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। तो आई थिंक मुझे पहले आपको मिरर इमेजेस पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, दैट वुड बी बेटर, क्योंकि आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए अदरवाइज। सो आई विल स्टार्ट
Sir,
दैट।
but I already sent my
इट्स
answer.
ओके, इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके।
Sir,
Sir,
once
which
when we
chapter
were
was
doing
that which we were doing?
geometry.
Okay.
You are doing geometry now. We'll do some-
Sir,
Yeah, I think so. We will continue geometry.
sir,
Yes.
last time when in third grade when we were doing the mirror images, you made me a picture that was given on a mirror for a question.
Did I? That's great. What was the name of the PPT? Okay. So from today we will start mirror images. So kiddos. So, so what is symmetry? Symmetry is an object when an object has two or more equal sides. देखो guys, this tiger wanted to eat berry. So I took my sword and cut it into two equal parts. So see, the right and left are exactly the same. So I can say this is the line of symmetry. And how many lines of symmetry it has? It has got one line of symmetry. So what about this shape? Has it got a line of symmetry?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
The
Yes,
middle
sir.
part
Yes, sir.
has a
Sir,
line of
definitely.
symmetry.
How you know?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is the
sir.
line of symmetry. देखो देखी,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ऊपर
Sir, by
और नीचे
mistake, I
दोनों
said.
सेम है, जैसा ऊपर वैसा नीचे।
Yes, sir.
What about this
Sir,
butterfly?
there is a line
Yes,
of
sir.
symmetry in the
Yes,
Taj Mahal picture.
How many lines of
Yes,
symmetry?
sir.
Beta, please mastermind ऐसे नहीं. How many lines of symmetry are there in the butterfly?
One.
Sir, one.
One.
Sir, four.
It is
Sir,
having one line.
Four.
ऐसे नहीं है, because ऐसे क्यों नहीं है?
Sir, because
Because ऊपर
Because
का part
the
बड़ा है और नीचे का
yes, sir.
छोटा. Only one. How many lines of symmetry does the Taj Mahal has?
One.
One.
One like this and one image नीचे भी तो बन रहा है. Mirror image
Oh.
देखो.
Yes, sir. Sir, so two lines.
So two lines. So two lines of symmetry.
Oh. Yeah.
What about a square? How many lines of symmetry a square has?
Sir, one. No. Sorry. Wait.
Sir, two. No, sir, four. Sir, a square
So
is
how
two.
many are saying two? How many are saying 1?
Sir, 2.
How many are saying 4? So it has 4 lines of symmetry.
Yes.
Sir, 4.
What about a rectangle? Vampire. Rectangle has how
Sir?
many lines of symmetry?
2.
2. How many are saying 4?
Symmetry.
Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. देखो गाइस, अगर मेरे पास स्क्वायर पेपर है, जैसे ये पेपर मेरा, मैं इसको एक मिनट, एक पेपर है उसको मैं पहले स्क्वायर बनाऊं. This is a square paper.
No, sir.
It is a square key properly.
Yes, sir.
Square. If
Sir,
I fold
first
it
you
like
are-
this, if I
Yes,
fold it
sir.
like this, तो क्या होगा? ये बिल्कुल ओवरलैप हो गया. हो गया?
Yes,
अब
sir.
ये एक रेक्टेंगल पेपर लेता हूं मैं. This is a rectangle paper.
Yes,
If
sir.
I fold it like this,
Sir.
क्या वो ओवरलैप हो रहा है?
No, sir.
No,
तो
sir.
डायगोनल जो होता है वो रेक्टेंगल की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? बस हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. बिकॉज अगर मैं हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली फोल्ड करूंगा तो फिर ये एग्जैक्टली ओवरलैप कर जाएगा.
Yes,
कैन यू सी
sir.
दैट? A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Infinite. See this
Infinite.
smiley?
Sir, is it infinite or infinite?
Sir, this is me.
How many lines of symmetry does this has?
Sir,
Does
one.
this-
One.
One.
So they have already given the answer.
Yes. तो गाइस, अगर इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल होता है ना, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल क्या होता है? जिसकी ऑल 3 साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं.
Sir, the mushy one.
उसमें क्या होता है? 3 लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होती हैं.
Sir,
Yes.
but in this triangle, all sides were not equal.
बेटा ये शेप तो ऑलमोस्ट इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल जैसी है ना, एंड ऑल द 3 डायमंड्स आर सेम. ओके.
Okay, sir.
जैसे फैन होता है, उसमें भी 3 लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री होती हैं. Then this bug wanted to eat kiwi fruit.
Very bad.
I took out my sword and cut it into 2 equal parts. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is not a bird. Like
This is a bug. Bug. I said bug, not a bird. I said a bug.
Sir, I thought that how is he
Then-
saying that it's a bird?
Then, guys, I will tell you, one person wanted to take Aviana with him. Again, I had to use my sword. Can you guess who that person is? Is Aviana here? No.
Sir, vampire.
No, gorilla. It wanted to take Aviana with him. So I saved Aviana, and she didn't even say thank you and didn't even send me a crying photo or picture or video. So again, this is a fan-like shape
But
which
in the
has.
morning, how would I take a picture of myself crying?
So beta, your mom has got na, so those are fine. So it is a flower. It has 3 lines of symmetry. Again, it's a square. It has 4 lines of symmetry.
No lines of symmetry.
No lines of symmetry.
Sir, because no part is equal.
Yes. Now, guys, what is happening? This is a warrior. देखो, ये mirror है. या फिर ये बीच की सेंट्रल लाइन है. जितना डिस्टेंस पे ये पॉइंट है ना, उतना ही डिस्टेंस. एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक इमेज है, तो उतने ही डिस्टेंस पे मेरा पॉइंट्स दोनों होंगे. कितने डिस्टेंस में है? जो पॉइंट पास होगा वो पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट में पास होगा, वो पॉइंट इमेज में भी पास होगा. जैसे डी पास है तो इमेज में भी पास होगा. ये ऑब्जेक्ट मान लो. ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स जिसका हम इमेज ले रहे हैं, और इमेज मीन्स जो आपको मिरर में दिख रहा है. ये ए दूर है टॉप का, तो ये भी दूर होगा. और समझते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड से. गाइस, ये रिफ्लेक्शन हो सकता है, यस और नो? कैन दिस बी अ रिफ्लेक्शन?
Sir, I think
No.
नो, बिकॉज ये ऊपर
The
है,
objects
इसका
are-
रिफ्लेक्शन ऐसा.
yes, sir.
एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑल्सो शुड बी सेम.
Sir, the distance is same, but
Yes.
the arrangement is
Yes.
different.
Is this a reflection?
Yes, sir.
Sir, definitely.
Sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
It is.
Sir,
बेटा देखो,
The
ये
lines
पॉइंट,
are
ये पॉइंट देखो इधर. ये पॉइंट इतना डिस्टेंस है, इस पॉइंट का इतना डिस्टेंस.
Sir, it has a tiny tilt and the tilt is equal.
दिस इज, या दिस इस पॉइंट का भी इक्वल है, इस पॉइंट का
Sir,
भी
but
इक्वल
the
है.
lines are which are drawn above, they are not equal.
ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है बेटा. थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन, बहुत स्मॉल वेरिएशन हो सकता है. ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है. आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नो, बिकॉज बड़ा छोटा नहीं हो सकता. आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, because the
आर दीज रिफ्लेक्शन?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
दिस अ
sir.
रिफ्लेक्शन?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Sir, dog.
definitely.
डेफिनेटली मिरर में देख रहा है तो रिफ्लेक्शन ही होगा ना.
Sir, how can you not see it as a reflection of a cute dog?
यस.
Shifted the mirror and we do mirror images, sir. It's a reflection.
Sir,
Guys,
I have some photos of Miraya. I will send them to you.
बेटा मिराया की आप उसकी मम्मा से पूछ के भेजना पड़ेगा. तभी तो मैंने बोला मम्मा से पूछ के भेजो.
No, sir, I have a crime photo in my iPad.
Oh yes, then you can send off yours and Miraya. Okay. तो guys, हम 2 minutes 4 minutes का ब्रेक लेते हैं. We'll resume after the
Sir,
break. मैं 2D बना रहा हूँ. I'm just making it. I mean to say a single line. Not, I'm not making double lines. अब G है. It's facing the mirror like this. The image will face like this. A remains the same. M remains the same. So if G is looking towards the mirror, its image will also look towards the mirror. और देखें examples, और we have understood. अब guys, अगर
Sir,
आपका
understood.
mirror right में हो चाहे left में हो, image is exactly the same. Not almost, but exactly the same. चाहे mirror right में हो चाहे left में हो. So you want to try? Try करो guys.
Yes, sir. We want to try it.
Okay, try करो. पहले तो कभी भी इमेज उल्टी नहीं होगी. जैसे ए और सी में उल्टी है, तो ए और सी तो हो ही नहीं सकता. आंसर बी और डी में से होगा.
Yes, sir.
Let me enable annotations.
So send.
Aviana,
I have also.
send your answer.
Sir, the answer is very easy.
Yes, sir. It's too easy when I'm sending.
So, sir,
this is
Sir, this is from IMO.
This is IMO. No, this is reasoning.
Okay, sir.
Sir, why is mom not checking mine?
Sir, can it be water?
Ma'am. Sir, by my
So guys, देखो. Near to the mirror, we have which color? We have which color near to the
red,
mirror?
sir.
Red. तो image में भी on the right ready होगा, दोनों में on the right ready है. But here ये तो देख के ही पता चल रहा है दोनों blue हैं and we have blue and red. तो blue and red यहाँ पे है, red and blue यहाँ पे. तो चलो ये तो easy था. अब आगे question करते हैं. हम समझ गए हैं. Very good है guys. Do the first question.
Sir, it's very easy and we have done it in grade 2 and 3 also.
No,
मतलब
2 में
grade-
नहीं दिया, 3 में.
Yes, sir, 3 I mean. Sir, because in the title
Sir,
you have
send-
written grade 2
send
and
my
3.
answer.
Sir, Sir, because like it is written grade 4 over here in the meeting ID and over
Sir,
there it was written grade 2/3.
Okay.
Sir, sent. One.
Sir, it's very easy.
So send.
Oh no, wait. Yeah.
so Nan has not checked mine.
Sir, ma'am hasn't checked mine.
Ma'am, can you check mine again, please? Ma'am, can you check mine? Ma'am, can you check it?
Aviana, yours is checked.
Okay.
No, I send it again.
बेटा अगेन चेक नहीं होगा बेटा. Look here.
Sir,
तो पहले तो arrow is pointing here. तो जो आपका arrow है, this will point here. Then top पे कौन सा color है? This is pinkish color, whatever it is. So here also it will be pink, and here it will be lemon color. So which will be my correct option?
A
Of
part.
course,
sir,
A
a
part.
part.
तो air, someone, veggie, bunny, ballerina समझ आया?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did not notice that thing, that pink and lemon color.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I show my one pen, which is so long?
Yes, you can show. Oh, I thought it's longer than you also.
So, again.
Yes.
Sir, send.
Sir, answer send it is very easy.
तो बच्चा क्वेश्चन है, 1 मिनट में करना है.
Yes, sir. Pakka. Sir, seriously, it's very easy. Sir, I think that you should give half a minute, not more than half.
Someone, how did you get it wrong?
So send.
Typing mistake. Sweet guy. क्या हो गया?
Sir, how did someone on Sweet Guy and Cupcake got such an easy question wrong?
Sir, it was like the you don't even have to do anything.
It was a typing mistake.
and
Oh,
cookie.
yeah.
तो गाइस मैं बता देता
was
हूँ
Sir, it was a typing mistake. I just
Third
गाइस
is
देखो पहले तो ये सीधा है तो ये सीधा ही रहेगा
yes, sir.
अब पास में कौन सा कलर है ग्रे कलर तो यहाँ पे ग्रे है तो यहाँ पे भी ग्रे होगा
Yes, sir.
बीच में ब्लू है तो बीच वो भी ब्लू होगा
Sir, like it's a simple trick. If the image has no design or something, the image will remain same.
I sent this only.
बेटा आपने कुछ रॉन्ग भेजा कुछ और भेजा होगा चलो नाउ डू द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन टुगेदर
Third and fourth. Okay, sir. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Sir, sent.
Percent.
So send.
Sir, it's too easy. Sir, oh, I thought the chat is disabled, but it is not. No, wait. Yeah, no. Sir, Sir, are you there in the meeting?
ऑल राइट गाइस तो वेजी और बैलेरीना गाइस देखो हमारे पास कौन सा है ब्लू कलर पास में है ना
Sir, I understood my mistake.
तो ब्लू कलर हमारे उसमें ये होगा विच कलर इज फार अवे रेड तो यहाँ पे हमारा रेड कलर होगा ओके
Sir, it was
अंडरस्टूड
a
वेजी ऑल राइट
yes, sir, it was a typing mistake.
नेक्स्ट लेट्स डू द फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ वन
Sir, can I? It's I know. I know.
अभी आना सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेटा
Sir, I'm so sorry.
Anna beta all this we can do during the break time not during the class okay
Sir, you have written IMO. Sir, why can't we see our kids?
Preeti's iPhone, start your camera. So guys, I just told you a trick that mirror is on the right or on the left. मेरा image same ही बनता है. मैं on the right रख लेता हूँ mirror को because I am more comfortable with that. तो यहाँ पे orange is near, so here it will be orange color. Then O is here, so O will be here. M is here, so M will be here. I is here, so I will be here. Then we have blue color here. तो blue color मैं कर लेता हूँ यहाँ पे. And near to the mirror I have blue, so near to the mirror I will have blue. So cookie, air, bunny, vampire, समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे भी orange ही होगा. So that's my correct answer. IMO. Next one, किसका गलत है? Someone का और sweet guy का और bunny का. And Barry hasn't sent. T is close, so यहाँ पे भी T close होगा. गाइस जो उल्टा लेटर है वो मैं सबसे पहले क्रॉस ही कर दूं ऑप्शंस. उल्टा तो मुझे चलेगा ही नहीं. तो बिकॉज इनमें उल्टे थे तो डायरेक्टली ये क्रॉस आउट हो गया ऑप्शन. मेरा आंसर डी हो गया. तो एयर, कुकी, बनी, वैम्पायर, समझ आया?
Sir, I have sent the correct answer and I have a tick.
ओके
Sir, I also have a tick.
ओके. सेवेंथ एंड एट्थ.
So send.
Sir, send.
ओ Barry, you can keep your camera off, beta. I didn't realize it's your mom's phone and you are in car.
Okay, sir.
तो वेजी एंड समवन. तो गाइस यहाँ पे है ब्लू, पर्पल, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन. हियर आल्सो इट विल बी ब्लू, पर्पल, रेड, येलो, green, and I think we
Sir,
have orange
Ragini
also
ma'am
in
has
between.
not checked,
Next, mirror
but I
image
have
of this.
sent B
तो
only.
अगर कार उल्टा है तो ये definitely cross हो जाएगा. Now this car is facing like this, so the image car will face here, which is in the A option. तो kiwi ji, veggie, bunny, have we understood?
Yes, sir.
Did she because it looked बिल्कुल same.
सेम नहीं करना है ना बेटा, इमेज करना है. अगर ये कार अपने को मिरर में देखेगी तो उसको ए जैसी दिखाई देगी, सी जैसी नहीं. देखो हेडलाइट्स इसकी यहाँ पे मिरर को फेस कर रही है, तो इस कार की हेडलाइट भी मिरर को फेस करेंगी. समझ आया?
Okay, sir.
तो डू नाइन्थ. नाइन्थ ही कर सकते हैं. नाइन्थ एंड टेंथ कर लो.
Sir, in the ninth, we just have to tell the mirror image, right?
यस.
Okay.
So send. Sir, those who have sent the correct can they leave?
No. I'm going to explain now. Time is up. बनी
Sir,
आज
I
आप
couldn't
ध्यान नहीं दे रहे
understand.
बेटा.
Sir, I
Sir,
did not check.
मैम इज चेकिंग. तो देखो n इज क्लोज, तो ऑप्शन में भी n क्लोज होगा, बट n की इमेज ऐसी होगी, तो जिसमें n क्लोज नहीं है वो दोनों क्रॉस हो गए. फिर मैं n की करेक्ट इमेज देखूंगा, दिस इसी से मुझे आंसर पता चल जाएगा. Bunny is not concentrating today. Cupcake. D is close, so D will be close. Then D close नहीं है इसमें, ये क्रॉस हो गए. Then this D, the stomach of D is facing towards the mirror, so the stomach of D will face towards the mirror. Then यहाँ पे 4 उल्टा है, ये क्रॉस हो गया, तो मेरा आंसर is this one. Understood, guys? Bunny,
Yes, sir.
vampire, cupcake. So, okay, kids, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next
Bye,
class.
sir.
Bye
Have a
bye.
nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.